Welcome to Best Buy Report. The best shower seat is probably one of the most practical and stylish additions you can make to your bathroom, especially if you're looking to enhance safety and accessibility. These seats offer a comfortable and secure place to sit while showering, making them ideal for individuals with mobility issues, seniors, or anyone who simply wants a more relaxing shower experience. Today, we're diving deep into the world of wall-mounted shower seats, exploring their benefits, and helping you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Moen DN7110 Foldable Teak Shower Bench. This shower bench is built to safely support up to 400 pounds. It's designed to provide a secure and reliable seating solution. This ensures safety and peace of mind for the user. The bench is designed to be lifted out of the way when not in use. This feature helps to maximize space in your bathroom. It's a convenient solution for smaller bathrooms. This shower chair is easy to mount on the wall. The quick and easy installation gives you peace of mind. It's a convenient and user-friendly product. The brushed nickel finish provides a warm, metallic look. It's made of teak wood and aluminum materials. This gives it a quality look and feel. This product complies with Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, specifications. It's designed to meet the needs of individuals with disabilities. It ensures accessibility and safety. This sturdy shower chair is backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty. It's a durable and reliable product. You can trust it to last. What we like? This shower seat is built to last and can support up to 400 pounds, making it a great choice for anyone needing extra support. Its space-saving design means it folds away when not in use, perfect for smaller bathrooms. If you are looking for a safe and reliable option that meets ADA standards, this is the one for you. What people say. The shower seat is sturdy and well-made. The seat is easy to install. The wall-mounted design saves space. Number 4. Kenley 16-inch Teak Folding Shower Seat. Introducing the Kenley Folding Shower Seat. It's a stylish and practical addition to any bathroom, offering both comfort and convenience. This wall-mounted seat easily folds up when not in use. This feature helps you save space in your shower, making it ideal for smaller bathrooms. Crafted from beautiful teak wood with a polished finish, it adds an elegant touch to your bathroom decor. The natural wood grain enhances its aesthetic appeal. With durable metal brackets and steel bars, it ensures long-lasting stability. It can support up to 330 pounds, providing a secure seat while showering or shaving. Installation is straightforward, with all necessary hardware and instructions included. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your existing shower space. This discreet yet practical seat enhances your showering experience. It offers a comfortable and secure place to sit, making your bathroom more pleasant to use. What we like? This teak shower seat features a beautiful polished finish, adding a touch of elegance to any bathroom. Installation is a breeze, and the durable metal brackets ensure long-lasting stability. If you like a blend of style and practicality, this seat will provide a comfortable and secure shower experience. What people say. This is beautifully made. The seat is pretty and has been varnished so that it is very smooth and stays clean. This seat allows us to be prepared for elderly guests who need to sit while bathing. This is a great quality seat that was easy to install. Product has retained its sturdiness and functionality. Number 3. Serena Teakwood Shower Bench Seat. This ADA-compliant shower bench supports up to 350 pounds when properly installed. It's designed to provide a safe and comfortable shower experience for those with limited mobility. Always consult with a professional contractor before installation. Crafted from grade and natural teak wood, this bench is stronger and of higher quality. The clear coating provides a smooth surface and extra protection, ensuring its durability in a wet environment. The bench folds up automatically when not in use, saving space in your bathroom. When open, it measures 18W x 15H x 15D, and folds to just 3D. The beautifully finished solid teak wood offers a premium look and feel. The clear coating enhances the wood's natural beauty, making it a stylish addition to any bathroom. This shower bench is perfect for residential use, providing a safe and comfortable seating solution. It's ideal for home showers and spas, enhancing accessibility and convenience. What we like? This shower bench is ADA compliant and made with grade A teak wood, ensuring both safety and quality. The clear-coated finish provides a smooth and protected surface. If you are looking for a durable and stylish option that meets accessibility standards, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It is very sturdy, super easy to install and adds the wood element we were looking for. The frame is all metal and arrived without any flaws in the finish that might lead to rust. The seat mounts to the wall using 6 provided screws, and the screws are hidden by the removable back slats. Number 2. Teak folding shower seat, wall-mounted. This wall-mounted shower seat is crafted from durable teak wood and stainless steel. It's built to last and can support up to 400 pounds. The design ensures both security and stability. The seat is ergonomically designed for comfort, ideal for anyone who needs a break while showering. It's perfect for adults, pregnant women, the elderly, and those with limited mobility. This folding bench can be installed in various locations, such as showers, hallways, or balconies. When not in use, it folds neatly against the wall, saving space. The surface is treated to be smooth, moisture-resistant, and non-slip. The anti-pinch design ensures safety when folding and unfolding the seat. Installation is straightforward with the included instructions. The product is ready to use without any assembly. We also offer reliable after-sales service and a 90-day return policy. What we like. This folding shower seat is designed with an ergonomic shape for maximum comfort. The surface is easy to clean and features a non-slip design for added safety. If you are an adult, pregnant woman, or elderly, this seat offers a secure and comfortable showering experience. What people say. It's solid, good-looking and works. Did our remodel over a year ago and the bench still looks as new as the day we installed it. It cleans well, functions well, and still holding up great. Folds up and down easily. Very sturdy when anchored properly. Number 1. Teak 16-inch foldable shower seat. This shower seat is made with high-strength stainless steel and durable wood, supporting up to 400 pounds. The folding mechanism ensures smooth operation and enhanced stability, making it a safe choice for anyone. Designed with ergonomics in mind, this seat provides comfort for adults, pregnant women, children, and the elderly. It's perfect for those who find it difficult to stand or bend for extended periods. It is a great choice for them. Install it in bathrooms, hospital corridors, or even living rooms. It's ideal as a shoe stool or a stylish addition to any space, adding both functionality and elegance to the environment. The seat folds down to a mere 2 inches from the wall, saving significant space. A thoughtful gap prevents fingers from getting pinched during folding, ensuring safety and convenience. The shower seat comes pre-assembled, ready for quick installation. Detailed instructions and a video tutorial are provided, and you'll have reliable after-sales support. It is easy to install. This folding shower seat makes a great gift for housewarmings, birthdays, or any special occasion. Show your loved ones you care by providing them with a more comfortable and safe shower experience. They will be impressed with your choice. What we like. This shower seat has a thoughtful pinch-proof design, ensuring safety during folding. It's also easy to install, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a safe, stylish, and easy-to-install shower seat, this is a great option for your bathroom. What people say. Easy to install. Sturdy. Comfortable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.